Let's find out what happens. Here we have an onion, halved, a pantry staple, a globe of stored energy. This simple glass of water is all we provide. A catalyst. Watch. A gentle pour. A small but crucial act of replenishment. The water level rises just a few millimeters. That's it. The signal has been sent. To the onion, this isn't just water. It's an instruction, a command to begin. And begin it does. First, from the base, a dense, elegant fountain of pure white roots erupts, growing with purpose, straight down in a radial network of delicate threads, the hidden foundation. But the onion's ambition is not just below. Look to its center, where a single, powerful green shoot forces its way up. This is the scape,